Hello, children. Right now, you will learn how to upload or create a video in Flipgrid with your project. What you're going to do is you're going to share your screen here in Flipgrid. Okay, let's start. The first thing you need is the page that of site that you are going to share. Also, then you need to go and record the response. Okay, you go where is the assignment in Flipgrid, and you are going to record the response. Once that you click and record the response, you are going to go to options, and in options, eh, what you're going to do is select the record screen, what it says record screen. So once that you click here, you will start to record your screen. Okay. Now, once that we have that, okay, we can pause or we can stop the recording. So if we don't feel comfortable, so we make a pause and then we continue. Okay, what we are going to do is record this. Okay, this is the web page. What you have to do is in preview, you click in preview so you can show your web page in the screen that you recorded. Here we have the topic, Indus Valley. So you read the topic, you explain the description, you shows the image, you explain another description that is there, you continue in explaining the image of the content we have in there, and then if there is more content, we read the content and we explain. So once that we are done with it, what we do is now, when you already click in stop recording, what you're going to do is you're going to see you record, you will see this final. Well, and this is what you're basically what you're going to present. Okay, so it doesn't matter that if appears that you will start to record the screen and you start to speak. Okay, what matter is the information that you share with us. Okay, so thank you and thanks for watching and do your job, please. Thank you. Bye bye.